the blue for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Test. Hello, this is Mila, and you're watching How To with Malaysians.
Go ahead.
What are you growling at? Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm glad that you clicked on that notification bell because you've been notified that there's a new video. And let me tell you guys, I had struggles this crafting week for you guys. I have 3 projects to share with you today. But if you're visiting my channel for the first time, my name is Mila, and if you enjoy DIYs, high-end looks for less, everything interior decorating, some lifestyle and some cooking, then you've come to the right place, my friends. I'm glad that you could be a part of this group and this channel, and I really appreciate you for watching my video. But back to the story. I had all sorts of complications this week, guys. I mean, seriously, it was, you know, between my battery dying and, you know, not being able to finish the project because it was the flowers. So you guys didn't see me actually put the flowers together, which sucked because as I was putting it together, I was like, this came out so nice. Then I go to look at the footage and I was like, stop recording, why? It happens to everyone. So finally it's happened to me. And then I did these tea towel iron-ons for spring/Easter, and the colors came out so vivid on the iron-on sheets themselves, but then when I transferred them over to the tea towels, it kind of like, it was a softer look, so it wasn't what I expected. I mean, it still looks lovely. It's a softer version of what I wanted, but I really wanted it to be even darker than that. You know, I wanted it to like pop from far away, but you know, not all DIYs end well, and I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. Like, I'm not satisfied with the DIY, and if you watch the video, if you want to give me some tips or suggestions on what I did wrong as I was doing the iron-ons, then feel free to. But I've done several iron-ons before. It's not my first rodeo, so I'm not quite sure if it was the paper, if it was the tea cloth. Could be numerous of things, but you know, it works. It's not a total loss. It still looks great in my kitchen, and I'm going to stay with that. I'm also going to give you guys all the printables that I used today. It's going to be available on my website, which is www.howtowithmalaysians.org. If you don't see it available today, just, you know, keep visiting the website throughout the week, because I know there was a few things down, so I'm not sure if it uploaded. But hit me a message, send me a message on YouTube, and let me know if it got through or not, or you got your free printable. And then my my project savior were the tags, and you actually got to see me doing from start to finish. So that you actually got to see me do the tea towels from start to finish. But these came out so lovely, and you know, when you're doing these type of crafts, your imagination starts to run wild, and I knew I wanted it to look 3D and kind of dimensional, so I'm really pleased with how this came out. I thought I was going to start doing some of the printouts, like the decals from my Cricut. For some reason, my Cricut machine wasn't cutting correctly, no matter how many times I changed the settings. So I just got frustrated, you know, went back to the drawing board and decided to do like a decoupage. So everything that I've used today, like I said, I'm going to put down in the description below. But these little wood trims, I actually got, I don't have it next to me right now, but if you guys ever ordered like big pieces of items from Amazon or furniture store, they give you these wood planks sometimes that go in between each piece that they're shipping, and I always save them because it's free wood, guys. And look, I got to do this project and I still have so much more, so I want to do even bigger tags because I want to do like a wreath for my front door. And you know, I basically shopped my stash to do all the projects this week, and I was figuring what I wanted to do, but I have so much stuff, so I figured let me use and get rid of what I already have to make room for more stuff, because I have so much. And you know, if you're a person like me, you always try to shop for, you know, a purpose and things that you know that you're going to end up using it in the future, and then sometimes it just doesn't happen. But in this case, I made it happen. I used all the flowers I had left over that I bought and reused and used. And then these, the only thing that I did buy were these, the greenery. They're like eucalyptus. They are so pretty. They feel so real. They were so pretty. I was like drooling over the foliage that I got from Amazon. But everything else I shopped from my stash. So hopefully you get to enjoy the video. And even with my mistakes, I'm still gonna show you. Hopefully you guys can do better. And that's it. I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. So yes, if you notice, I am in better moods today. And if you notice behind me, I have my how to knit with Belizean sign. I am going to do a separate video on everything that I purchased from Etsy from my office, because I purchased a few things and I'm sure you guys will love it. So thank you for staying to the end, and don't forget to visit me on Instagram and on Facebook. I'm also on Pinterest at How To with Melusians. And again, I'm going to remind you to hit that subscribe button and also push that notification bell, because you will be reminded every time a new video is up. So keep your fingers crossed. I'll keep my fingers crossed, because hopefully in the next month I will start with 2 videos. So I'm really excited for the next chapter, which is the cooking chapter. And I'm really interested to see what you guys think of it. So thank you so much. I love you guys. Adios.